Hello everyone, kamusta? Welcome to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'll be showing you another instant pot recipe that I truly love. This is a chicken teriyaki wings. This is a very delicious and super quick and easy teriyaki recipe. I hope you're going to like this video. And let's start with our ingredients. What I have here is 1.5 pounds of chicken wings. This is already washed. And now we're going to create a homemade teriyaki sauce. We are just going to mix everything. Start with soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. All the ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. Now this is mirin. This is actually a sweet sake basically, or you could substitute this with honey. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of the mirin. And now we are going to do the sake, also 2 tablespoons of sake. Also 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And also you're going to need 1 tablespoon of white sugar. I'm using half teaspoon, so that's why I scooped twice. And a pinch of salt. Also a white powdered pepper. You could use a fresh ground pepper, that's really up to you. And also just mix this until they are combined. I'm also going to add a ground ginger, but you could use a fresh ginger, a ginger powder. I'm using half teaspoon of the ginger powder. Again, you could use fresh ingredients, that's really up to you. And also garlic powder, the same. I'm going to use half teaspoon of garlic powder. And now all we have to do is whisk this together until everything are well combined, or until all the powder are completely diluted. And set this aside until you're ready to use it. Now with our chicken wings, I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt and also a pinch of white pepper. And I'm just gonna coat the chicken wings and make sure that they are completely coated with the salt and pepper. And we're going to cook this using our instant pot. So let me set my instant pot. And I'm just going to put the pot, and then I'm going to set this on saute mode. Once the pot is nice and hot, go ahead and add the 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm using olive oil, but you could use any oil, whichever you prefer. When the oil is ready, go ahead and add the chicken. You're going to cook the chicken wings until both of the sides are lightly brown. Or I cook this for about 5 minutes because instant pot tends to get hot really quickly. So make sure you flip this on each side constantly until both of the sides are lightly brown. And now that the chicken wings are ready, go ahead and cancel the saute mode. And we are going to slowly add the homemade teriyaki sauce. Mix thoroughly until the chicken wings are well coated with the teriyaki sauce. Once all the chickens are completely coated with the sauce, just try your best to distribute the sauce evenly. Go ahead and put the lid on the instant pot. Set it on the pressure mode and make sure you change the pressure into low. This is going to cook for about 10 minutes. Set the air valve into sealing so it will lock the air, and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, go ahead and release the air by moving the valve into venting. Make sure all the air is out, and then when all the airs are out, go ahead and unlock and remove the lid. And now set the Instant Pot into saute mode. You're going to cook this for extra 5 more minutes or until the sauce thickens. This is really up to you how thick you want your sauce to be, but I like my sauce to be thick. So cook this until you like the consistency of the teriyaki sauce. Make sure to constantly mix the chicken wings. I saute this for about good 5 minutes. When the sauce thickens just like this, go ahead and cancel the saute mode by pressing the cancel button. And now the chicken teriyaki wings is done. Go ahead and place it on a serving plate. Make sure to serve this while nice and hot. It's always good to eat chicken wings when they're piping hot. The house smells good. The sauce is really good. This chicken teriyaki wings recipe is so quick but so delicious. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you give this a try. If you have an Instant Pot, go ahead and make one of these and tag me to it and let me know how yours turned out. This was so good, guys. My family loves this. It's just enough sauce, and the mixture, the sauce and the way it's coated the chicken, it just blends really good. And I just top it with toasted sesame seeds, and also always put celery with wings. Here is the before, and here is the after. So my family devoured the whole chicken wings. I hope you guys like this video. Again, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for visiting. Come see us again. Ciao.